Evening, folks. Doing the mini for Jason for the Kobe Luxe metal frame auto challenge live. Now it's checking. We need first, second, and third, and we got Mick to Mick copy. That lets into the randomizer at 7:49 PM local time. Mick on top and bottom, dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's 6 times. Looking for the top 3. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Mick and Andrew one more time. 7:49. Congrats to spot 6 Tim, spot 9 Andrew, spot 2 Tom. Had to go 6 times. Did go 6 times. Verification code at the bottom. 6, 9, and 2. Getting spots as per the list. Challenge complete.